I built it, it's not biting me.
It's just really, really old. So I have to make it new again.
Okay.
Tell me what you see you think is cool, okay?
What's this?
What is that?
It's a haircut chair.
Is it a haircut chair? Kind of.
Wanna go out here?
There's nothing out there but darkness. You go out the back door?
Yeah.
I guess the electric fence is off. Come on, dogs. Masha. Biggie.